Okay, guys, this is Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Now, I'm about to make my breakfast. Okay, so guys, you see all this stuff right here. Don't get alarmed. You'll see how I make my smoothies for my breakfast. Okay, so watch. Okay. First, I put me some mango in there. Now usually I'll take all my bags of fruit and I'll mix them up in a big bag so that I ain't got to keep on pulling out all these different bags. That makes it go faster for me in the morning. So I got my mango. Then we are going to put some wild berries in there. I usually have more bags of frozen fruit, but the store, they're running out of stuff. So I just, I'm just going to use what I have, guys. For you guys that don't know, I don't eat meat. And be looking out for my video on how I'm gonna make me a lunch. I have other videos up there that shows how I, make my lunch. My meatless lunches. Okay, so this is just a bag of mixed fruit. It has pineapple, sliced strawberries, peaches, and mango in it. So, just gonna put a little bit of that in there. I should be putting way more in this blender that I'm putting in here because I'll be making my snack too. That holds me over until I eat my one meal a day. And guys, there's other fruit. Just put all the fruits that you like to put in here. Like, like I said, pineapples and stuff. But like I said, pineapples is in this one. So I throw in here whatever I feel like throwing in here. Okay, so we got this. I used to put this in there, but I don't do that anymore because these are wonderful little snacks. If you just want to, oh, they are delicious. I'm gonna show you what I do with these. These are dark sweet cherries, off the chain, guys. Okay, so then I'm just gonna get a banana. Thought I wasn't filming for a minute. I was gonna say, oh Lord, and just gonna put this banana in there. Now it's up to you if you want to use milk or, juice or water, whatever you want to use. Me, I used to use a juice, and sometimes I still do, depending on, whatever I'm going to do later on in the day. And then, sometimes I put a little squirt of lemon juice in there, or lime juice. And then I will get me some stevia. And I'll just use maybe, depending on the size of the shake that I'm making, I'll just put like 3 packs in there. Just for a little extra flavor. I don't need them, but I like it. I tried it one day and I liked it. So now this is what I do. Okay, so because this is my breakfast, guys, and my snack that I'm gonna be, going back and forth through, forward through the day, this is my fiber My doctor told me I need more fiber, so I just dropped 2 of these little chewable tablets. They're chewable, but I don't like the apple. So I put that in there. Also, for the poop and go, I put Miralax in there. So you just fill up a cup, and by it's just being me, you know, I'm not making it for my family, I'm just making it for me. You know, you just pour 1 cup of that in there, and that's what I do for me, guys. Okay. I had went and got a colonoscopy, and my doctor was like, "Wow, you have a clean colon." Well, the only thing he told me to do was add fiber, so that's why I'm adding fiber. But this was what I was doing, you know. So I just add water. And the reason why I'm adding water is because I want to save whatever calories that I would have put in here for my lunch. So I am going to blend this up, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this up. I get my glass. I get my shake. And I just fill up my glass. Now guys, once you have your glass filled up like this, I like to put cherries on top, and I get my straw, and that's how I make my morning smoothies. Bon appetit. Okay guys, so now that I have my breakfast made, I will come back, and with these are popsicle molds, and I got these from Walmart. They're like $9.99. Take them apart like this, and what I like to do is I like to take my cherries. I like to drop a few of them in here. And then I just fill up my mold with the rest of the smoothies. So guys, filling up these trays with the smoothies can be quite challenging. So you know me, I figured out a way to make my life easier. So I'm gonna show you now. Okay guys, to make my life easier, what I do is I use a turkey baster to put the smoothie inside of the molder. The other ones, you know, is for my family. They don't have all that stuff in it. And so they know what theirs are, and they know which ones are mine. So I don't have to worry about them getting a Poop-Sicle. That's what I call mine, the Poop-Sicle. And like I said, just think if you put a chopped up pineapple and all that in there. So you just place these on top. And you sit them in the freezer. I think I paid like $9.96 for these. So you may as well say $10. So you put them in here. And now they're ready to go in the freezer. With the rest of the smoothie, what I do is I put it in a bowl. This is my breakfast. Mmm, delicious. So what I do with these, I place these in the freezer, and then I put the rest of this in a bowl. And I may end up eating this for a midday snack or something like that. But guys, that's how I do it. Guys, this works for me. It allows me to lose weight. It tastes good. I can have it for snacks and all type of things. So, if you would like to learn how I make my lunches, go on my channel, look up some of the vegan meals that I have already posted. But I am going to show you how to make some excellent, oh my goodness, excellent Zatarain red beans and rice. You think you know how to make it. I'm going to show you how I make it, and the different ways I eat it, and the different ways I serve it to my family. It's going to trip you out. All right, guys. Well, this is Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification button.